we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Stuck choosing between the Sony 28-70mm and the Sigma 70-200mm lens? This isn't just about lenses. It's about unlocking a whole new level in your photography.
The Sony 28-70mm looks incredibly compact. Does that affect image quality or build?
Surprisingly, it's quite sharp, especially considering it's often sold as a kit lens. Think about it, a 1-pound lens you can carry all day. Perfect for travel, street photography, or just not wanting to lug around heavy gear. It's got that optical steady shot too, which helps in low light.
The Sigma 70-200mm, on the other hand, looks like serious business. Is that extra 2 pounds worth it?
Absolutely. The build quality is fantastic. It feels like a tank. This is the kind of lens that makes you want to go out and shoot. Plus, that F/2.8 aperture is a game changer for low light and creamy bokeh.
Okay, so we're talking portability versus pro-grade performance. Let's dive into the specifics.
The Sony's 28-70mm range is super versatile, great for landscapes, portraits, even some close-up work. It's your everyday, do-it-all lens. But what if you need serious reach?
That's where the Sigma dominates. Its 70-200mm range lets you capture distant subjects with incredible detail. Think wildlife, sports, or stunning portraits where the subject really pops. And that constant f/2.8 aperture across the zoom range is a huge advantage.
True, the Sony has built-in optical steady shot, but with the Sigma's f/2.8 letting in so much light, you might not need it as much. Plus, the Sigma is compatible with Canon EF mounts, giving it broader appeal for Canon users.
But here's the real question. Are you okay with carrying around a 3.08-pound lens? That's a significant difference compared to the Sony's 1 pound.
Exactly. The Sony is about capturing moments spontaneously. The Sigma is more deliberate, more about planning and executing a specific shot. Think about the type of photography you do most.
So it really boils down to your priorities and shooting style. If you want a lightweight, versatile lens for everyday use, the Sony 28-70mm is a great budget-friendly option, especially considering you can find renewed versions for around $226.
But if you're serious about telephoto photography and need that professional-grade image quality and low-light performance, the Sigma 70-200mm, even at around $1,310 renewed, is a worthwhile investment. Think about your needs, your budget, and what kind of photographer you aspire to be. Choose wisely, and happy shooting. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.